007 Chess Détente, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Each turn, each player makes 3 moves. The first move must be with one of their own pieces, the second move with one of their opponents, and the third another one of their own. The first and third moves must be different pieces if legally allowed. If the only legal move is to move the same piece again, then you are allowed to do so. You are not allowed to capture your opponent's piece that you moved on your second move with your third move. All moves must be legal from the perspective of the player who controls the piece. For example, enemy pawns move towards you, and if promoted, the owner of the pawn picks the promotion, not the player moving it. If your first move puts your enemy in check, then you must use your second move to escape check. If your second move puts you in check, your third move must move you out of check. You are allowed to give checkmate on moves 1 and 3, and likewise, you can be checkmated on your own second move and lose the game. You may not expose either king to check when moving a piece of the same color. You must make all 3 moves. You cannot skip any of them. If it is impossible to take all 3 moves, then the game ends in a draw. There is no restriction against using a move to reverse the move your opponent made on your piece the previous turn.